In the American West, gold begins its journey deep inside quartz rock, hauled straight from the mine to the processing plant.
Here, the ore is unloaded and pre-sorted before it's reduced to smaller pieces for processing.
The primary crusher reduces house-sized boulders into gravel-sized fragments in seconds. Conveyor systems transport the crushed ore to grinding mills, where the real separation begins. Inside the ball mill, 3-ton steel spheres pulverize ore into fine powder, releasing microscopic gold particles.
Chemical flotation uses air bubbles to separate gold particles from waste rock, concentrating the ore 100 times.
Gravity does the work here, allowing valuable gold concentrate to settle while wastewater is recycled.
At 1200 degrees, roasting burns away sulfur and arsenic impurities, preparing the concentrate for smelting.
Before smelting, precise amounts of flux materials are added to help separate gold from remaining impurities.
The smelting furnace uses 2000-degree electric arcs to melt everything, separating gold from slag by density.
The furnace tilts carefully, pouring 1800-degree molten gold while leaving impurities behind. The gold is cast into doré bars, still only 85% pure, requiring further refining.
As the bars cool, the metal contracts and hardens, ready for the next stage of purification. Each doré bar weighs about 28 kilograms and receives a unique tracking number before entering the refinery. At 2100 degrees, gold melts and sinks to the bottom, while lighter impurities float as slag.
Every bar is tracked digitally as it enters the high-security refining area, where 85% purity becomes 99.99%. Electrolytic refining uses electric current to dissolve impure gold and redeposit pure gold atom by atom.
Rinsing is critical. Any leftover acid could damage the packaging later. Perfect dryness is required.
Buffing wheels give the final touch. We aren't removing metal, just smoothing the microscopic peaks.
Every bar gets a unique mark. Laser engraving burns the design in permanently, without scratching depth.
Numbers identify this specific bar forever. Traceability is essential for security and customer trust.
As the bars cool, the metal contracts and hardens, ready for the next stage of purification.
Weight accuracy is measured to the milligram. If it's underweight, the entire bar is melted back down.
Density scanners check inside the bar without breaking it. Hollow bars fail this test immediately.
UV light catches oils or chemicals left behind. A fingerprint here could oxidize the gold later. Smooth edges prevent tearing during shipping. Precision trimming protects the certificate inside too.
Each bar comes with proof of origin. This paper proves the purity and weight guaranteed by the refinery.
Security tape guarantees the owner hasn't opened it before delivery. Broken seals return the bar for audit. Custom foam cushions the bar from impact. Transportation shocks won't dent the finish or break the seal. Once scanned, the bar is officially registered. The world knows exactly where this asset is located now.
Stacking is automated to maximize space. Tight straps ensure nothing shifts during highway transit.
Leaving the warehouse triggers new security protocols. Only authorized vehicles are allowed on this lot. Inside the armored container, shock sensors watch for accidents or theft attempts. Safety is layered deep.
Route tracking is live and encrypted. Command Center knows the location every second of the journey.
While that travels, back here we recycle. Even gold dust swept from floors is valuable and never wasted. Ventilation filters catch airborne gold particles. Collecting this adds significant value back to the batch. Chemicals used in refining must be neutralized. We protect the local water supply before discharging anything.
Maintenance keeps the furnace running safely.
Preventative checks stop breakdowns that delay orders.
Production never truly stops. As soon as one batch ships, another arrives from the mine, waiting for processing. Look at the refined grains. Before it became a bar, it was just these small pieces melted together.
No flame touches the gold. Magnetic induction heats it from the inside out, preventing contamination. Heat levels are dangerous. Eye protection is mandatory whenever the furnace port is open for observation. Emissions are treated before leaving. Our stack releases clean vapor, protecting air quality standards.
Dimensions vary for different clients. Some prefer smaller bars for retail, others huge ones for vaults.
Molds are often made from specialized ceramics, but templates start as wood or resin patterns first.
Gold molds crack when hitting hot gold. We preheat them to absorb the thermal shock safely. Angle matters. Pouring straight down traps air. Angled pouring reduces turbulence and defects. External cooling hardens the outside quickly. This helps us extract the bar faster without burning handlers. The center takes longest to cool. We wait until the middle is solid before touching it with tools.
Mechanical ejectors push the bar out safely. Manual pushing would risk burns and inconsistent results.
Speed adjusts to handle volume. More orders mean faster line rates, but quality stays the standard. Speed adjusts to handle volume. More orders mean faster line rates, but quality stays the standard. Cameras scan marks automatically. If a number is scratched, the line rejects the bar instantly.
Nothing leaves unless it's perfect. Defects are recycled immediately, ensuring no loss of purity grade.
Residue builds up on rails. We collect that too. Every gram counts, especially in precious metals.
That mirror shine is the final appeal. It represents purity to the buyer looking at the bar.
Sharp corners are dangerous. Chamfering blunts edges so the box fits perfectly without snagging. Ultrasonic waves shake out invisible dirt. It's the deepest clean possible without scrubbing. Gloves are non-negotiable here. Skin oils are acidic and will tarnish the gold over years in storage. Packaging machines fold boxes perfectly. Human folding often misses spots or jams the seal. Security tags are locked on handles. If cut, the seal breaks visibly, proving tampering occurred. One last human check catches things machines miss. This is the final sign-off before it leaves our care.
Merger points sort destinations. Boxes for banks go left, retail goes right. Efficient sorting saves time.
Pallets are secured to the truck frame. Vibrations during braking shouldn't shift the cargo at all.
Doors bolt shut. The seal padlock is recorded in the system for tracking purposes.
Pallets are secured to the truck frame. Vibrations during braking shouldn't shift the cargo at all.
Doors bolt shut. The seal padlock is recorded in the system for tracking purposes. Shift ends when the product leaves. Guards remain, ensuring the empty factory stays secure overnight. Nighttime doesn't mean unsafe. Cameras keep watching. Theft attempts are detected instantly, 24/7.
Day breaks again. A new shift starts with coffee and fresh checks. The cycle of creation continues.
Goals are set daily. Efficiency improvements are discussed to make the next batch even faster.
Logs tell the story of the machine history. Knowing maintenance dates prevents unexpected failures. PPE is mandatory. Steel-toed boots protect feet from heavy crates falling during movement. Powering up follows a strict sequence. One wrong order could cause a surge or damage electronics. Robots calibrate their position before working. Accuracy is vital for handling delicate bars without dropping.
First bar triggers the line. Industry noise returns as production resumes for the day.
The process repeats endlessly. Consistency is the hallmark of good manufacturing standards. Each step mirrors the last. Repetition ensures reliability for every single customer receiving a bar.
Shine is achieved the same way. No shortcuts. Every bar gets the same treatment, regardless of price.
Weight is checked again. If it varies even slightly, it is adjusted or recycled immediately. Packaging preserves the investment. Proper sealing keeps the gold looking new for decades.
Behind the factory, support teams handle inquiries. Clients want to know where their asset is anytime.
Thank you for watching our facility tour. For more details, visit our official website link below.
Subscribe for more factory insights. Hit the bell to stay updated on our latest manufacturing processes. Water must be gone before packing. Hot air ovens ensure the inside of the seal is bone dry.
Adhesive tape reinforces the box. It ensures the box doesn't spring open during rough shipping handling.
Sunlight signals departure. The truck matches the manifest exactly. Nothing is loaded by mistake.
Departure begins. With the truck moving, our factory job is done, and the bank's custody begins now.
Unique serial numbers change constantly. Each one is tracked in the global registry database.
Our vaults hold millions in value. This inventory supports the economy and provides stability.
Boxes join the growing pile, ready for distribution to dealers and customers worldwide. Sales happen online securely. Blockchain technology ensures transparent transactions for modern buyers.
From rough ore to perfect bar, this represents the culmination of skill, science, and security.